how to operate a king valve, also known as a 3-position service valve. So first, you take off the packing nut. This one is plastic, so I'm not going to really tighten it. I just used wrenches to show if it was. And then take this off, which may also be wrench tight. You can just go ahead and put your gauge on. And if you want, you can just actuate the stem. But because I want this valve to last longer, there's like O-rings and stuff in there. Just a bunch of stuff. So I'll get 2 crescent wrenches that are already fitting this. It'll be harder to actuate the valve when it's first time doing it. So pretend this is tight. You basically do this. So I'd say this is here, I'd go to here, and then I'd say that's about good. So now I can get my wrench, do this clockwise, and see my pressure inside it, which I think there is a little bit. So now I can re-tighten this. If I'm done, I can re-tighten it. Since my packing is open, it will leak a little bit. So what I want to do, put my wrench back on it, tighten it, not like super tight, but tighten it so it's snug. Then I can proceed to do this, purge my hoses, whatever. Then take off my gauge. Here, I'll put this back on, make sure there's no dog hair or whatever inside it. So now, that is how you actuate a king valve, aka 3-position service valve, and apply gauges.
I have a Discord server, link is in the description. Please subscribe.